Come here. Oh, yeah. Me no want you to follow them. Them bad.
Nah, follow them.
Make sure you see, I'm give you a chance to put on tattoo and boy your neighbor, boy your nose and something, and put on braces and something. Want to make me proud, want to make them shame.
Yeah, me make you proud, man.
Alright, make sure. Me not to be like them.
Nah, be like them. For real, me not be like them. Realize me always stay by myself.
No, them enough up in you and you. I try for
Ditch me from them,
yeah, but me like that. So just keep on do that because them have bad
Company.
character. Yes, them have bad character. So want to be the good one.
Yeah, me make you proud of me.
Because them have bad character.
Me know, because I'm not really par with them.
And I realize that. I love that.
What bad? Who bad?
You come here, Safa.
So what kind of private conversation?
Yes, my daughter have a conversation. You come out here, for.
So you can't make me hear.
Come out of my business and go on inside. With you for your question me. Go on in the house.
You tell daddy.
You know, go on.
You're such a rank.
Red bad.
Feel like you're not a size.
Anyways, go and go shop for me, yeah.
Okay.
Buy 2 pounds of rice and 1 mackerel.
Okay. If you buy mackerel.
I mean, I have no money to buy no else. So.
How's this? Hello?
Hello.
How you go?
Oh, so me had me a go do. Yeah, oh yeah.
Shop me say me a go in and me see you walk. You look lonely though.
Yeah, me kinda lonely and look up ice. I look up plant chips and Pepsi me I get for lunch.
Are you on the hilltop?
Up hilltop this one, man.
Oh, up there me live too, you know.
Hello, yeah, tell me.
Like I look house down this.
You know, so me always fast, but show me not chat to people.
Me not chat to people either.
So you just stop me and chat to me, sir.
Cause you look like somebody would I like.
You don't like me? Hello, yeah, tell me. I don't believe you.
Cause you say man around so they're not really attractive.
Well, you're right, but that's still me attractive.
Yeah, cause you're nice and thing. So you would want to know you. You have woman?
You know, so I'm not a woman though, but God no be it's on hot. Me can't give me number, you just text me.
Alright, me take your number.
3826111, man. Do,
Alright.
my love chat to you still and I feel like I run me
I go call her cause I shop me I go for my mother.
Alright.
So we link here?
Can I back something for me too, yeah?
Alright, later.
Alright.
No, so them shop here man, them people can't stay in that shop. How are you there, sir? I don't think you're going over.
You know, so I go up, my day I go up. Sit down now. But I show me feel like I did run here a while ago and me I said just take me number and set my name and you feel like my name and chat to you. I throw Sunday the hot me man. I can't
Sunday that for real still but anyways, after me go shop, come like the people them gone, go use bathroom or me don't know cause they not down there. My mother said me to go buy mackerel. Alright.
You know, so me and kill up on my head, me can't give one. You not go a stranger place.
No, me not go stranger. My mother wouldn't like that.
But me are not stranger, you know, well, you know, me
Me don't know you as that. So when we get to know each other then no.
Alright, no problem. So we are going to know like how you know no mackerel and rice.
Me I go up and tell mommy say me shop lock.
So you know tell mommy say your boyfriend have a mackerel up there when you want to give.
Me can't tell my mother that. She go kill me.
If you have a boyfriend, tell her, tell her.
Yes, me can't go tell her that.
Boy. So me have to go talk and that quiet then?
Yeah.
Oh. But yeah, my girlfriend now.
Yeah. Just we have to go work on it. So as me say me have your number, me I go text you.
Sound like you want to be my girlfriend, man. Think about it when you want to go. Are you me there wait for her?
Okay.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
What you about, bro?
What pray me go?
Yeah, man, pan go on easy, man.
Now stop me I come from there, me buy a bar and chips. I want Pepsi, boy, Pepsi done. And girls, me and big out it.
Bro. What you say, David?
Different styles, my dog. You know, a little brownie will live a hilltop there, so in a little greenhouse.
Little brown in there.
Yeah, you might get tell me saying you want to feature me or something, dog. I tell me saying you like coffee look. But me ain't know say he rate me there way there. I look like
Boy,
watch
I
out.
wrong man girl tell you my father. Better you left him alone, you know.
What make it so?
I worse man that man.
What make it so?
The man is a mad man, you know, man. When I like people talk to him that too much to my father, man.
My bro, in a high school, a mackerel thing they call me, you know. Because me sharp. Me no pad man girl. Me no pad man daughter unless they underage.
Boy. No, you work out the part there, you know.
Yo, she said she want to feature me still, my bro. So, and like at me intentionally. But you might tell me, say, you have to go there on a little quiet, you know, because
Can you know your father? See, you know your father.
my mother, you might tell me, boy, he look like he ain't afraid to mention his father.
You know Papa, man?
Papa,
Mm-hmm.
Papa and father.
You mean Papa?
It no matter. I could have Papa. The sailor man or Papa with his nose long like Pinocchio. It no matter who my father.
Boy.
Me and son-in-law. Better know that you know I feel like it.
Tobando, what boy, you feel if you're not listening, you know?
Boy, I know about that, you know, my bro. But no, I'm all free still. So what you definitely an idea like a this? Yeah, tell her.
Right now, I can't lift clutch right now before pass on see me, so you know, car boy. You're not here.
Yeah, talk about Papa like him is this great man.
But Papa, you're a mad man, my father.
Yeah, like this great man or him a Satan. You know, say I want David and man. I'm
You must know.
So you're watching on a job.
Mummy!
How will you come from? Oh, as long as you take for go buy whole pound of rice and one mackerel, mama.
He's not my mother, don't question me. Mummy! Oi!
Just, what are the people in business? Come on. Come in. Come in. Look how long she sent grass shop and she just a come back.
You know what's
A little bit bad.
You know what happened? I want motor so. She gonna talk about look how long me take. Not even explain myself. The shop is closed. I'm gonna go down the road, go look if no more shop today. I'm not see no more shop, so I'm gonna come up back.
Yeah, mother, we are question him for. You might be the same father, but no question him. I know you're picking. Not do that. Too hot harder. Your boy can't do a big woman.
That boy like big woman, look on him kin.
Let him alone, leave her alone. And me tell her, me make she do what she want to do, because she's a good girl. You know, stick with her bad.
Two of
I'm
them.
not going to get innocent. And it's a maga one, yeah.
You realize I'm not saying nothing to you for a man, eh?
You can't say nothing to me, no little girl, because you look up, I'm not going to argue with you. You go and about your
They must
business.
smell, they must fed out now, so them big.
So I'm grind down in place.
I hear that I move with the girl in place because she have a tattoo and pierce up for her body. You don't see me have a tattoo and pierce up
Because
her
you
body.
tight up in her front.
So what that have to do with
But
you?
you talk say we bad.
That not have to do with bad.
Lady,
That not have to do with bad.
Action with you.
Exactly.
Action. Do your own no go on.
So she attack
So
them.
how you go on? Me not go like how you go on.
Mama,
You know, sneaking.
who's sneaking?
You know, especially she out there, so. That one.
When them spoil them daughter,
Mama, to the
When
business.
daddy come
Okay,
start
them a go
out
now,
it,
you know, we
man.
don't
A man
them
there,
all
them
know
a go, make them go on.
Boy, them a watch him. Him a ringleader.
The one night pink tights.
Yes.
One, yeah. See them no mind.
My baby, we are minutes a while, let me talk. Come on, man. Sure, you see lady over there some ignorant. You living here, what?
I'm just new, so I want to know how to get started.
Oh, well, you have a shop right there, so that's a John shop. And you have Miss Jerry shop down the road. And then you have the little all thinking man shop in steel bread down there, so.
Excuse me. No, Mama,
You
you not do
can
that.
ask her one day.
Mama, you just come in here with no two, I mean, no two trust people. I know she trust people so quick to tell about Jan and all about the place. But anyways, girl, you look nice and all of that. And you know we can be friend, man. We can, you know. Send him.
My name Alia.
You buy with something?
Yeah.
So you just want to buy with something, so me not want to fight me, you know.
So now, trust nobody.
No, Mama, just if I miss you.
You don't really want to buy me not right now. I'm belly full. My sister belly full.
No, my belly not full.
So I'm buy the two juice.
Yeah, 5 bag juice. You alright?
Yeah, man, the good.
Where you come from?
Far.
Okay, what's the balance?
Where you come from? Oh, you wanna come from? Wait until the father come. You don't have manners. Especially that the one you're going in for. Like my take man one time. No manners you not got.
I threw my father here, that's why I'm going to take him.
You hear them bride this. Wait until him come.
Come on, be the scars. Jesus. Oh, my yeah. Oh, my sister. Oh, God. See that good?
Great, man.
You know that mother come over me,
You
mean by, remember me approach you first?
Yeah, but when you say you're a woman, you say, no, we think.
No, I said never think about it, man.
So you think about it now?
Yeah, but then now.
So what make me have to hide? What make me I can public and make your people know?
No, too soon. When I reach them, furthermore in a relationship.
Alright, no problem. So I go over there place and see no TV in the room and no Wi-Fi, what we have to do?
You can do anything you want. It's up to you.
Anything you want. So, this about nice though.
Yeah, your room always have the nice stuff.
You can't take off him and get a shower?
No. Me not really want to take off my clothes at this time.
So you want to do?
No, child. Shan! Eh? Girl! Right. What? Eh? What? Me say girl, I'll send up to tell you. But Jesus Christ!
So what you gonna do?
Jesus Christ!
Come here.
Wait, give one Peter some. Sit down. Jesus!
I want to.
No, I want to go joke with you next day. No, so why you come so fast?
But they gone nowhere.
No, because when I come in, I'm not see so I wonder where you're gone.
Me did in the front room.
Oh, how you do?
I watch something about my phone, me charge and me want to borrow that me come back.
Oh.
So you can't move so.
Oh, I look for sitting a while ago. I'm say me I try surprise, but you feel.
You feel? Oh.
Yes, me I clean up room and everything.
I first, me say yeah, clean up room, so I don't know.
You mean by stop make everything look
no, you clean up room, yes, no, but not all the while.
I always clean up the room.
I'll let you come like say now. You know good.
Right now, the place boring.
It's boring for you coming and say why you want to lock up and I say, oh, can never come on this one?
No, brother, remember me just go somewhere. I'm just come back. So me I say, hey, come and see Kayla.
What for you? When you live out of the yard, don't never hear when I come in.
Eh? Remember the door open. The door is already open.
But now, man, that one come in and drop your dirty one. But you not drop no one, they just come in. You're sick. Want some water?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Chat now, okay? Chat, I'm going to come for boy, what you know?
Okay, bye.
Bye.
How are you?
Who are you?
Where you come from?
I come from where? How are you?
Over where? Me ask you where you come
I
from.
have time to you. Oh, where some I come
Which
from?
one are you them?
The big yard.
That one there?
Yeah, I want.
Make sure you never me there come from, you know.
Where is it?
At the board house, and I see the board house with big AC. Me live in now.
Well, from here now, in your house. So what?
Make sure you over me there come from. You see, if over me there come from, I go set my father upon you. Move from now.
I mean, if you know where you come and ask me where I come from, like me owe you something.
Sister girl, me have news to tell you. I know you're ready for that one, yeah. Keisha over there give man bun. And guess how we give man bun too?
Who?
We done a little boy that can even reach 920s yet.
I like that.
Me say, me see the boy run out of the yard and ask him where I come from. Me say, over there.
Yo.
What a little pin here.
Oh, you so mixed up. Oh, you so mixed up. You are turning back at you, me. Oh, you so mixed up.
I mean,
That means if Jerry want.
listen to me. Listen to me, little girl. Your man in there here right now. So shut your mouth and keep it cool. And I make me have to slap you.
Mama.
You hear me say? Go back in the house. Nobody not talk to you.
Go back in the house, yeah, mama. Turn up. I want to say something to you about that. You see? Come out of people business can be a little bit, but watch out now. Man and gland, when me out here,
Wait till mommy come.
Wait till mommy come. Your mother can't put her hand on me. Coming off the
I
cooler.
just say no. Me not even go touch your arm. Argue.
Go in the house and don't argue with me. Because if from here start underneath you, you start ranking at this, you know.
Mama.
And I might pay this.
Mama, tell me and your sister going.
Let me know hear nothing from you. Can you see you? You're coward. You're
Wait till
coward.
that mother come here, go see who are coward.
Yeah, mother.
Yes, wait till she come here, go see what
Me
gun.
put them out too. And daddy me put out.
Alright, this is true, me know me know.
Where you go?
Mama, me a go road.
Where you go do?
Oh, me can where do you go road go do?
Later.
Later.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good evening. We can get a minute of your time, please.
Come on.
Come on, man. I'll sit in here right there.
And you want to talk to me?
Oh, man, give me a minute, please. Beg me up, beg you.
Where's it?
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Taylor.
Nice to meet you, Kayla. My name is David.
Nice to meet you, David.
Where you from?
Up the road.
Up the road.
Mm-hmm.
Which part of the road?
Over Peter yard.
Hello, name, sir.
You know my father, Papa? Eh? What a man the yard.
Papa, your father?
Mm-hmm.
So I never see it.
Come to come and do work, I know ramp. Me mad.
So me always hear people and say. So how you there road now?
Come on, breeze out, man. Stretch my long legs there, me then get longer.
I told man, they're long for sure. You come here and look up palm tree. So where you heading to?
Found out my friend there, me had me think me I go. Me don't know anywhere my food put me go.
Oh, well, me not tell life, so I like it, yeah.
Me know where you like it.
Come and tell me like it.
Because all on a man good for is sober roadside and look for man and they just want jump in them drawers and no man now can't look me and jump in my drawers.
But first thing you said that all man good for stand up a roadside. Me know they are roadside, me under one roof.
Are yours?
No, me never tell
Alright,
us. Me
still
never.
roadside lady.
How am I for the roadside? If rain
Still
fall.
road there so.
But that I said.
No.
But alright.
What me have
Alright, so me no, as you say, just look here and do something there. But me want to get to know you, Kayla. Because you're attractive and something.
Sometimes I want to get to know myself. Me know why you know me. Because my father is a madman. Anyhow, my father ever knows me and you thump on the road, yes, so.
No, me have to say we're not there.
I hear about it 2 away.
Here we 2 away. So
Yes.
what your father will do?
The pronounce me after when we reach home.
But you don't turn up early. That means you have...
Kind of there right now in the pan the road and gonna work.
That means you can't turn up some more and chat then. Come look a bit closer, man.
Don't touch me, man. You make people see. That little man you want to come don't touch my body. Don't touch up my body.
Alright.
Yes, yes, sir.
Me I say you can't come look closer, man. So like how your father.
That is from that. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I say, oh, what this I shot them, man. I just want me there do woodwork and something, man.
Anyway, say that, sir.
I'm gone. Me I tell you, say, you can't fall a little closer, man. Like how your father is gone at work and you know me and me know you. And now we are friends. We are friends, that's all.
Yeah, how much?
Yeah, how much?
Mm-hmm.
Now your age.
What is my age? You're 19, whatever. What, how much?
You're 19.
No, I'm 19.
So we say you're 19.
No, I'm not 19. Me ask you if you're 19. Never say me are 19. Me ask you your age. What is your age? You don't have an age.
I ain't even see your age.
Me would never be same age.
So you how much then? You're going like me and I said age.
I could pick me at 18.
Sorry, man. I do 17.
You're 17? Yeah, little boy, you want to call up me on a little boy? No, nobody.
Yeah, almost. Yeah. So, alright. So, then I have to look at them. But me I can't be friends, not sure.
Yeah, man. But me can no long talk to you because I do with my father.
Alright. Cut the canvas shot. We can't get a number then. And we can't
No, next time we say get me number. Me can't get no number right now.
Alright, take my number then. No.
Took me don't go your number, you hear me say?
Take my number.
No, when me take your number, me reach, when me to me hand, you're texting. I don't want no man. Listen to me. Education is the key. You see, no big man, I don't go sir. It's stop on roadside, and look people girl pick me.
No.
Yes.
No.
And that's all I don't go for. Look people girl pick me and take people girl pick. Idiot.
Take the number.
No, I mean, nah, make no man take me for no idiot.
Alright, what about Instagram? You got Instagram now?
No, I don't use Instagram, I don't use WhatsApp, I don't use nothing. Right, cause education is the key. If me think they come with something good, they tell me something what makes sense. Me think you tell me. But you not tell me nothing sense.
Alright, Kayla. Me no want
Come,
bother.
you just talk. You have work?
Yeah.
You get mad and feed woman you're on the road looking woman?
But me never tell you something I look at. Me just tell you something I want to get to know you.
I don't, once you want to get to know me, I look you, me know say I look me.
Me nah
And me
look
don't, good, don't look me. Cause you go on like say, you know smart, you don't smart, you on the roadside want to look people, girl pick me, and you look me now, you can't go and abandon the house, go do things. And then you hear me name all over the neighborhood. No.
Sweetheart.
Fine, yeah, near me yard.
I would never.
You know, key.
Okay, alright, I'll see you again. So, boy, you feel like a getaway?
Sean. Yeah. I'm up on the here. Oh, yeah, go. You won't do it, man. I'm gonna get some stuff for you. So, alright, be safe.
Hello.
Right.
You don't see us stepping in there. I feel like you want to where you go to. You don't see we.
You're lucky I'm out. Anyways, I don't watch your plate the man cook.
You want to push your plate
that cook and
I not to where you go.
You don't even know me, I got a little girl.
You will dress up too. Where you go?
No worry yourself, just do what myself you do.
No, you're right. Tell her that.
Does she come back home, say plate them wash, and Sean get something to eat.
Sean not get nothing yam.
Don't talk.
Where you play hard to get on your yard?
Everything is fine. Sit up. Feel good?
I'm good, man. You good?
I mean, say no.
Let me see.
Yes, I'll do a one day, never see you, but let me see.
You did miss it, though.
If I miss you, that make yourself available for see me.
Ain't sure where the pan.
Maybe I'm the pan.
You have to invite him, but say, I can't say, hey, can I come over? And but say, always I say, oh, my dad's a bad man and all them type of stuff.
Daddy got work. You can call me phone, and I never phone.
You don't want to call on one of your father or somebody to take you on.
No, nobody answer my phone. My father not so mad.
But you know for that. So you call me by your phone.
Come over here. Come that?
Come now.
Work out daddy bed.
Work out daddy bed. So I can eat all the cookies.
Alright.
No. You can do more now too.
Y'all! Mr. Me has to tell your mama.
Mama? So why we can't come in?
Somebody has to come here. Yeah, look, I need the bed back down.
Underneath the bed back down.
Come on.
Where Anne stay?
Oh. You got good, girl.
You know, something like how you have from morning.
No, from morning.
How weird. Anyways.
Yeah, just what I believe you know.
So.
You know, no say. Me see the little boy we talk about whatever they go over the woman yard.
Yeah, is that she come?
Yes. While I go, me they come see the boy run like a lightning. Pass me, zoop.
Well, I'm phone. I come in for plug in and come back up nearly business about that. As you did say, we are like a picnic come out of big people business.
Alright.
You got shit.
Alright, don't bug your toilets like we do yesterday. Father.
Yeah, payment there, man, but me as a like joke, more can't see you more often. You know, like after meet up in some look strange location.
But, I don't know if you can say that, because I don't know things that I do.
Me understand, but still, you know. I like me a complain, because I'm glad she can see it just the same, but...
Right, at least you see me. Some woman that you see them, man. I'm glad me I see you say that. I know me head happen. I don't know if I guess not have her, so.
See you eat from mine?
Yeah, me eat in the morning, yes. Me drink or cook food.
I don't know then, babes. You can't eat 3 green leaf and sit. One of them must fix up.
Me I go not about green leaf.
Oh, yes, but we feel uneasy and something like that. Me normal do. I when these things just rub it on me. I mean,
that a bees. When bees are what's better, you know, if you rub it green, it 3 different type of grass so extinct can come out.
No, still. So, maybe I forget some pill. Or maybe
would I be eating?
Maybe I just want to go and go lie down then.
Alright, bees.
Alright, come give me out.
It feels so good, though.
It smells nice. I can't go out then.
You are going so quick.
I'll go quick, but I don't want to leave you alone. I don't want to leave you sitting there.
Wow.
I don't want to leave you. You hear that, you?
No, your company me need. My head kind of wet since I pick my up here. You know, your body cool it down there.
I call one man and throw me a very lose this time. You flip in your nose and kill you. But, yes, I know this about me. Have to do it.
Alright.
Have to.
Later.
Come on, eh? Alright.
Come get my yard, right? Because I can't use water.
Man. Get up.
What's wrong with it?
Betty, get it.
Good.
Oh,
Untie
you deny push me.
the
Me
belt.
nah I anti nothing.
No.
I should have this me have on the road for
No,
butter
your
you.
mother.
With what? See me not see you with my man Davy.
No, someone off video.
And my man that. I'm going to catch me my
I
pan
never
road.
ball of the head. Just untie me from ball of the head.
Ball of your head.
Untie me.
Hold on. No, you're ball of your head. Hold on.
No, someone off do that, girl. I swear to God, someone off do you. Ed! Ed!
Your mouth not hurt you?
No. No, come out of this. I'm not even no junk. Come tell me if this far. I don't want that dirty nasty food. You're poisoning.
Me not telling you. Come.
We don't want your food. I don't want your food.
Man you want? Man you go and get.
God.
You want food?
No.
Ball again, me box off your head. Ball again. Shut up. Ah, it's a ball. Nobody not hero.
Nobody is junk.
Up
Dirty
on the
pigs.
hilltop with them, mama. You don't realize over there? About Peter old house. Where Peter and that try to do it and it not work.
Me have to come out of this place and
But anyway,
by the hook or the cook. Me have to come out of here so.
I'm a man, me I go look for, but me say me I come give some food. You want food?
Me don't want your food.
Alright then.
Box it out.
You know what? I will eat it. If you look and say me I can food come give you. We really do with me, man. Oh, that to me is at the time. When me come in at the house and you are running out and hide me. I am in there.
Me don't know. Don't ask me nothing.
Oh, you
I
know.
come out of this.
Alright. Tomorrow, me see you. Get some spaghetti for you. Wait, me forget something. This is all you have to take off in this time. When you love someone, the way I love the boy, I have to tie you up. Can I make you take him from me? When you love someone, give me my phone, I'm going to eat it. You're lucky. When you love someone. He come again, enough make something stand by here, mom. Wake up. See that? That's water. It's been 2 days now since you done bathe. The nasty man. Anyways.
You know, say, they come like they set upon me.
This man, you know, think about it. All your mother look fair now. Me tell them, girl, you don't want to know me a ball.
You know,
Ala, wala. Wicked what?
Me not tell me I have to come out here and the same time come out here, me make them know you. And me make them go to prison.
Mama, every day, daddy, they worry like say you're relevant. Huh? And then bring some water for you. If you chew, me can't cook. Me teeth out the spaghetti.
No fry you. No, I'm not fry you. Right. Because me have to come out here by the
Yeah, cause you chew me can't cook, you eat it raw. Open up, mama, open up.
You don't want them raw.
Me eat
Why you
food
don't
this
them
morning.
raw? Nemo the fish. Why you don't them raw?
It's not me. Whoa, Lord Jesus.
Why you don't me raw?
Yo, You're full of tough chat. You're full of tough chat.
If you God say this, me have on this, you know. Hey, me use a stone and bust your face, yeah?
Boy, you want man. Man, I don't even waste my spaghetti for you.
No. So your time, you tell me, say your time.
Man, you want? Yes! Man, you love too much man.
Yo, and then you fling me around. Alright. Remember, no, karma is a bee, you know. Karma is a bee. You're not going to call a bee, baby.
Come up, man. Drink some water.
No water, man.
You never see me take you and dash in your yaya.
God.
Come.
No water. You know what? Come on. We don't want to eat now.
Say that, my spaghetti pool.
Come on.
Man, look, if you eat spaghetti.
Yeah. So you feel here. I see you feel now, baby.
I'm pretty. Yeah, laugh with me. You know what you about it too? I am the one here. I'm laugh with you. And you're the one to your opinion. You're blind in Papa for.
Come on.
Look.
I'll tell me they want a good
Look here.
people.
Idiot.
Oh my God. Me I beg you please, I know one day me shall come out of this year. And the way me I go deep, me I go butter. Just wait.
Okay, we'll meet your brother. You finally settled down, my sister. Yeah, girl. Then I must have to settle down. Me have a fear full time now. Yeah. See him there. Him this. Yeah. Babes. See your sister-in-law here. Thais, TV.
Nice. Pagwana good.
Yeah, man, nice to meet you.
Where you come from?
Be where you mean by saying
Country
where
me
you
come from.
Country.
Yeah. Where that have to do with the where you come
What you
from.
mean about that have to do?
So where's so much information for babes?
But I just want to know.
So when you come
You
here?
come here yesterday.
Oh.
So babes, you're up on the roadside and do a smoke.
Just they are easy but man.
That me not like with
Man,
as
I look
man.
like a jacket man, or you black or you brown and she black.
Different father.
Oh.
You ever come with something?
I say funny.
Bad clown. So be you pray.
They are man, they are deal with.
Nothing. They are hungry.
Hungry.
They say they love how me settle down. They
Be
never
a
believe
man
in
full
me.
time now.
They never believe in me, so I could have settle down.
A good thing that man.
Yeah. So
So yeah, you don't know
me
what.
hungry.
You're hungry too? Your
Yeah,
sister
man.
hungry?
Then if me hungry, she no more hungry.
So no one will get something to eat, one want to eat.
So you could cook something.
Like what?
Anything. Mackerel and rice, anything or fast. You see you ever want to come and me at Konya, man, me never can get food from you yet though.
Yeah, we are going to do. We are going over to cook some food.
You sure she a
Eat
cheater
mackerel
right
and
now?
rice?
Yeah, man.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, girl. So,
Just
you see me
there.
tell you a good boy.
Yeah, me treat her right. Come here, pussy, take it
Don't
down.
wash up the plate, man. Thing.
Yeah, babes, the food nice,
How
no?
was the food?
It's nice.
Sure, I love
Mackerel
it.
and rice, nice, yeah. Nice. You know, say you're ungrateful.
I'm not ungrateful, sister, just the truth.
What should I say? Salt.
Say food, salt, and the rice.
No
tough.
offense. Me name me if you offending or no offense.
Big chef. Yeah, look for
No,
me,
man,
tell me
right,
say
it's
food,
salt with you. And tough.
Well, I can never go look something else eat them.
I can't say me, they want you.
So I can never go and go buy KFC, girl. You like me, that you don't know any limit. You don't have no conscience.
Man over me.
You know this, my man. Him never this you. Are you
You
first?
just know him and you know me all your life, girl. I can't do that.
A joke thing this, brother. God, no. Me sorry.
No offense, and I'm sorry. But I just the
This
truth.
a girl that can't serious.
Where you get
Yeah,
this
and
assistant
serious
from?
body, no?
I truth.
Girl, better you go on.
Where you get this assistant from?
Better you go on. Come, better you
That's
go
why I
on.
not like
No, you
tell
know
people
what?
the
I
truth.
get dark and corrupt. Yo,
So babe, say
take him
all
out
of
of
this.
me. Take him out of
So
me.
be all of
Sarah,
this.
me now.
Me not like, take him out of me.
You not like him?
Me not take him out of me.
Come carry me home.
Bring him home.
Follow me go.
Follow him good. Me not like him.
You see, you're too enough. Come out, I play
I
hard.
just the truth, you know.
Come out, I play hard, man.
I mean,
Why you do that there for?
Never make me.
So where that for?
Sorry, man.
Come. Yes. Sister, which one this?
Me don't know him.
Look like he have money.
He look so yes, like him
What's up?
exercise.
Watch.
Yeah.
What? I want mad man this. No, I like your money. I say some mad people them gone.
What's up, ladies?
Nothing. Good morning.
You all good?
Yeah, we good.
You look rich.
Huh?
You have money?
Rich.
Money?
You have money, you look, man. Go inside.
No, woman, but me have money.
Man just
money
say
is no
hi, but
problem to
he
me.
rich.
Oh, you have money.
We are born in California, but
I
I'm
like.
in Jamaica for 6 months now. Oh no, hold on, when it come on to touching my body.
You see me with man, girl?
Oh, who that chocolate girl around about there?
Hey! I baby this. I'm a little sister.
Oh, you look like Oreo, dude. And teeth white and it just black out.
You love man? Let me carry a road for. Ciao.
So anyway, where you from? Where you from around here?
Up the road, sir.
Up the
I
road?
come from my mother, but me live up there.
Oh, brilliant girl.
Yeah.
So, you single?
Me? Then me could really have relationship in this time. Me single.
Woman like when I like, cause me like when I spend my dollars.
I ain't afford about nobody else. No, really.
Eh? True?
Yeah.
Alright, so here take my number and you add me on WhatsApp.
No, I couldn't phone. Me can't give you mine.
No, let me tell you my California number, you call me.
Me say, me no walk with my phone.
Oh.
I can give you mine.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
There's plenty more where this fun come from, you know. I know the one.
Me name Shan.
Okay, Sean.
Yeah.
Nice name with a ring to it.
Yeah.
Alright, don't take care, ladies. I'll take you guys out for breakfast or lunch or dinner. Any one of them, just let me know. And I
All
will
three.
have that done.
All three you are.
All who?
All three.
No problem. The money is there, fully load, but you're looking nice still.
Thank you.
And I like you. You look nice. You look like it here is very expensive.
Yeah, how many else to my clothes?
Your clothes. So how much you pay for it?
That you know worry about that.
So,
When the time for your pay feet, you know.
Okay, no problem. I call me in the morning, so
And you have my number, you have to text me
I
and
call
call
in the morning. You see, your beauty does control my mind. I can't remember anything, you know. But I call you. I like that. And your sister
I
is
like
so
you.
gorgeous too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Focus by me, not she.
Oh, I'm focused.
Yeah.
Same mother, same father?
No.
Oh, you're
Same mother, but different father.
Oh, different father.
Yeah.
Oh, your mother have a touch.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I'll see you girls tomorrow.
You want a hug?
No, I'm good. I'm sweaty. I'm exercising. So
Okay.
keep chat along.
Alright.
Okay.
Chat along. Chat
Yeah.
along. Chat along. Okay, bye.
Bye. Yeah.
See you.
With what? Where I come, bo? Then I go on. See you? You don't have no limit.
No, tell your man the truth.
Tell which man? You give me man?
You know, just a come from your man.
Hey girl, shut your mouth.
I tell you, see, you tell him man, say, nah, no man.
A man you want. Hey, not even out your mouth. Me I bigger one. Me take any amount of man me want take. You know, you know what take me man too. You chat too much. That video.
Me with a single could
You
have man.
rascal. Come on this a mix up one yeah.
I wish I come for a toothbrush in the mouth.
I walk a little people business par road.
I know that she teeth.
Motel TV.
More tell him?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. We are going to tell him, sir.
My business with TV. And you're too enough. You're going to start stay home. I'm serious about it, you know.
Me not have to come back up here yard. Me not have to come
Nah,
back.
can't go nowhere again. You love man too much, you want
Me
little
not have to come
girl.
back.
I say your friend the
Me not have
jump.
to come back.
Watch him. Make sure say you no come back.
Nah, come back.
Make sure say you don't come back.
I mean, what tell TB?
Then you no go and go tell TB. You don't know if you find TB girl.
What tell him?
Go on.
What? No say. I wake up to brush my teeth and water gone. It's like a God make water gone in my yard.
Probably soon come back, man.
Me not want to come back yet.
Why?
Guess who me see on the road?
Who?
Your woman.
My woman.
Yes, your woman. A cost over man.
You're
Which
mad, man.
who want the man from who don't want him?
You're not so good, man. You just left us say, man, in sister.
One little black girl. Me say me see them down the road and she dey cuss the black girl and say if you could make me get the man. I cannot hear.
Which part?
Right down a lane mouth.
You sure you're so good? You wake
It's
up
like
good.
me we are good. If me know we are good, that
What
maybe we are
finger
good. 4 finger that.
How your man look?
A man, me never see man. Me just still there walk past and hear them a cuss. But who did want the man from who never want the man and who have them man from who not have them man?
Probably I me them a cuss over, man.
Me not think of you.
I me, man. I me them a cuss
Say
over.
sister want you?
Me no know, you know.
Me not think of you. Cause the man them a cuss what the sister want. You know no sense. Anyways, that's why water me come back for brush me teeth. Cause me dey tell you say the girl that done the road a cuss over man. And you gonna say I must you them attack. But if I did you would have feel like they would have on the other side of cuss.
Anyways, look how much shop your pass you come here. You couldn't buy one bottle of water.
Give me money, me go buy a bottle of water. Cause that news me can't come again and charge me a charge. Money.
So, where have man for?
Who tell say me have man? I don't live with a man, I don't have a man. That's why I don't know what me yard.
You look for brush your teeth and mix up your comfy.
Me come figure mix up and collect water.
So, you know, come out of me yard. Come on, come
Say no believe me.
Come out of me yard and come and chat about the woman.
I want your woman breathe on you, see. I want him breathe on you and give you a jacket, you. I want you get a jacket.
My woman, and me, my woman, I cuss over.
You have money for your woman cuss over you. Every day there now you want polar slides. Man, go on here.
Go about the business. Bright thing, come on, come chat about my. Go and go wash your dirty mouth. Bright thing. Come on, chat about my woman.
No, boss.
Yeah, man, where you come from?
You know, so one bike, I'm going to fix up, dog. Try to get a piece of bike. I just put it on pocket same way.
Yeah, you fix bike, man.
I mean.
No, so you should have pull up look earlier, do dog.
So bike, but what you going to do?
The sister, my woman sister come a while ago, you know?
Woman sister?
Yeah, the two of them too. My woman bring her sister come a while ago, brother. Well, his sister look like him well want a man, dog.
Which one of them like?
See me woman sister one.
Which one of your sister them? The thick one or
the black one? Oh. Look like him well want a man, then just left hand and cook give them but his sister, yeah, my woman sister saying no like his food is salt and it. So me run her out of my yard. But probably a link can't set between you and her.
Yeah man, cause me not gonna use no salt then ital.
Alright, my boy, good, but he can't come back in my yard though.
What mean? 3 food salt?
Yeah, in disrespect, my bro. Me not take disrespect. You have to go bring her your yard now.
Why? Being this me too?
No, probably not. Probably not like me or me don't know.
Me don't know. Probably like you and just don't want to show. But you can't. Alright, just try to build something for me there.
Probably then soon forward because they gone on the road to come back. Or me don't know if me woman bring her sister gone home to come back. But so now we go chat to female woman if you're serious.
Yeah, me serious daddy, but what going for your food? You not sure, man?
No man, the food finished, man.
I know some come every day, yeah, I know some left with food, dog.
You never know say they'll pull up, so dog. We can cook some more food, look more, so you know. Yeah. So you're good though.
More side. Right.
Why, man, well want to get more, man. Oh Lord, yes. Woo. Hey, what's up?
Jamaica full of mad people.
You're really right for true, but yeah, anyway, I'm not in the mood for any mad people or any this, but you're looking so beautiful. A shorty like you I would want in my bedroom, you know, to be my wife. You look like your hairstyle too. Your hairstyle look fabulous. Nice and short.
Your mouth sweet.
With what?
With lyrics. I see you talk to people get picking and going and then panty and then ignore them call.
No, sweetie, I'm not like that.
So I call your mouth sweet, your pocket sweet?
Money is no problem. Me, when I fall in love, I spend money. That's how I stay. But if you're gonna love me for my money, why sense go into a relationship?
We get the money.
So what? So you love the money more than me?
Me don't know you. Me know money.
So
anyway, what you do?
No, I exercise because I was in California, so I'm...
Oh, you're from California?
Yeah,
oh.
But I'm in Jamaica now for 6 months, so I'm exercising. Out here it's hot, in California it's cold. Hold on.
No, it's not your phone, it's mine.
Oh, you have iPhones?
Yes, I have an iPhone.
Oh, then a girl like you want, man, so we can FaceTime.
Hello, I'm kind of busy at the moment. Okay. Yes, as you were saying now.
I like, you know, me and you can FaceTime, me and you can do, you know, we can have kids.
My phone is really so up there that I buy more a new one. Sorry, like a yearns with the a lot of
camera.
Yeah.
You like the cheap camera?
Yeah.
Okay, I can get you 11.
Level only have 2 cameras.
No, Pro Max.
Have that one them one like that one dear. Yes.
I'm just know you?
No, I'm never say if you buy me no.
Oh.
I tell them my wish list.
Okay.
Yes, say I feel like you want my number.
Oh, you're right, you know. You're right. So, you come from around here?
Yes, we live right up the road on the third pan the hill and go down.
So why you live in the ghetto?
You want to take me out?
Sure.
Okay, no problem.
Why don't you live in the city?
You have to pay for the city. I go pay for it for me.
I don't have no problem as long as you're loyal. You ever have a man before?
No, pay a little boy.
Oh. Look a boy. As in little school boys. Oh, them are good them man. Me secure. Them not no money, me good. So when can I take you for lunch?
Anytime you're ready, just call me.
Alright, I'm
Until
not.
I even later.
No, it won't be later and it won't be tomorrow. Cause I have a meeting tomorrow. So I'll check you down in the week.
Alright, no problem. Just call me. I'm going back down the road now.
So what's your name?
My name is Shanice.
Oh, Shanice. Shanice. No problem.
Right, later.
Yeah. Oh, Lord. What's those big ass, girl? God. Woo!
Sis, come boyfriend, they wait for me. Babes, what happened?
What's she doing now?
Be with me by when my sister. Look how long that passed, brother.
Tell us, I don't want back your sister in
But
the
she
yard.
be and my sister anyway, me go come.
She a complain about my food, say me right salt.
And he never salt. Me say he no salt. The woman say no salt. Why your problem?
What not do ya?
What you mean by what uno do ya?
What not do ya?
Uno, Samina ito.
What you mean? Can me tell us, I don't want your sister, your brother.
Me and my sister. What's wrong with that, baby? You don't miss me.
But me no must miss you. The calling are gone.
We can't stay there for today.
So come on, we'll go inside and talk with your style.
Sis,
So me don't like you.
well, I'm come phone for me.
So you give your sister a phone first.
So, babes, what you mean by when I give my sister my
Where I
phone?
give your sister your phone for?
Because him out there so boring and he not no phone.
Yo, come on, yeah, man. Come on.
You lock the door?
Me no must lock it door.
What I do?
Hello?
Hello?
I'm in, man. California.
Oh, hi.
What's up?
I'm here. How you doing?
You and your sister still up for lunch?
No, she won't be able to make it, but I will come by myself.
Alright. Meeting same place out of the front. So I can
Okay.
take you, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
See you soon.
Alright, see you soon.
Okay.
Sister,
Eh?
hear my phone ring a while ago.
No, man, your phone no ring.
Eh?
You no ring.
What do you mean by say phone ring?
Check it no ring.
Me hear your phone ring.
I know it no ring.
Hmm? Oh, you know ring?
No.
What I go do now?
I say me I go down and come back.
I'm there.
Me I go down and come back. Me I go do.
Been there with my man.
Take fi cook some food.
Cook some? Who push food? Anywhere they go. Let me tell you. You see anywhere they go?
B, you know say babes.
Anywhere they go, you better eat. You think
B,
me
making tan no?
you think me go cook no more food give you feed this time? You tell me say my food fresh.
So you still feel offended?
Anywhere they go, they better eat it.
Cook, all you do improve this time.
Babe, no bother with the food.
What you mean me not feel bother with it?
What's the man like how you stay?
Where should they go?
He say they go down my yard.
Make down my yard and come back.
Go on there.
Cook local food.
Go on there.
Take before I go with your phone.
What?
Later, yes, sis?
Yo, me say me spirit just can't take a sister in a bit.
Me tell us you pick me, brother.
Bro, picnic.
Come, we could go finish where we did
Picnic, I know
start.
picnic, brother.
Come, we go finish where we did start now. We just a go on so.
Girl, how you do your so?
Girl, me there, so chill.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, girl.
Girl, I want to tell you something.
So if you let me start,
I have news.
what kind of news have you tell me now?
Girl, we can be rich. When you see your big house up there, so my father have it and him have no US money and him tell me say he might give me $500 so I can treat myself, girl. But you know your thing, you can come help me take out some money too, because he's not always there around. Him always leave the yard. I know where him go, but him always leave the house. So, you know. You ask question, what?
Where for like money from?
Hmm?
Where for like money from?
Me don't know. Me don't know where he get money from, but him have plenty.
You can't must split it up. 50,
Yeah.
50.
So now that me I go do. So that's why me I say, instead of me do 50-50, me can go up to the house and take out my wallet and, you know,
Buy clothes.
do hair and nails.
Party.
Yes, girl, you know the drill. But anyways, you want me to show you the house?
Papa.
Because you're not going to know it. So I'm going to show you the house. Go on, come. Because you have no money. The house, yeah? And the house, yeah, my bill.
Alright.
Yes, girl, you don't see it.
See, I can't, me. I can't. Here. Come with me. You can't look relaxing on the king size bed on it. You know what I mean?
You should say you manage him.
Yes, girl.
You know, most time with you, you should say you manage my father.
You work thick.
Well thick.
Alright.
But I'm not going to do this, but look, let me set it up on him if I call it stepmother. I'm not a step thing.
Girl. You have to go do the work. No matter what.
Yeah, but I'm going to do work we continue to be as friends, party out and every single thing.
Right, that's all.
A big house and my room, I'm going to be right this is so I'll have a walk-in closet, girl.
Alright.
Everything up and running. But anyways, by the time now, my father's supposed to soon come on. But I know you, but me I go down there so. And I know we are going to look down there so come on. Can't believe my father have no US than I know.
Yeah, talk about your father now.
Hi girl, I'm a friend. My father, my stepfather, a big house up there so enough US dollars. So I'm gonna give me $500 to take out myself. She won't come with me so. You know? And she like half my father. So I'm gonna try to set him up.
So you got a plan for thief for your father?
No, he might give me money. But little later she not have none, so I'm not gonna go, you know, in wallet.
That one your body fully dusty because she look up and down for me like she says I wash me because she look up and down for me. I will take the clothespin and clip up on your big broad nose.
Girl, she soon become a stepmother. Stop doing like that.
Come here, let me talk to you. Come here, let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Why you dey walk home and tell people say your father have money? You know your father do fi have money?
No.
You know if I sacrifice all your mother what? Oh God. My condolence to your mother. What gone? You know if I sacrifice your mother? So you walk around and tell people say your people have money. You know how hard your father work for the money?
Oh, you don't say work hard?
Your thing say just get up and pick up money off a tree. Listen to me. I up your father, I say me they walk go beg some bleach. Because I wash out my white clothes them. But what I say to you say, San, stop follow that little girl. Because by the looks of that child, she like she give me a problem. I'm respect as a young lady, your father grow her right. You hear me say? So please, me I beg you not follow her. You hear?
San, girl. I'm me or she? Join with me.
It's one, but come on, Renee.
Oh, come on, Renee. I'm hoping in a batty hole. Come on, Renee, help you out of the batty hole.
No, I'm not getting a no batty hole because she's soon to be my stepmother. Anytime when I need money, We can go to she or I'm going to stepdaddy.
So it's a little 17-year-old, yeah. You get your papa?
She want him, so why not?
And you don't have no ambition, so if you go to cut book.
What is more book? Book can help me.
She want money.
So you feel to say when you get money from man, so you got to feel your life depend on man, you can't depend on man. You cannot depend on man.
Oh, you know what?
Because if you don't have no education, no man, no one don't you can't help you, man.
You for have money.
Oh.
Money.
Money.
Money, girl.
Money can't run out.
No.
Me say it's an idiot. Me say all the parents nowadays is be buffoon. Be stupid people.
But no, from school.
You don't say no sense. Let me tell you more for everything. I don't know no sense now.
Girl, it's so hot.
Me need to have a word with your father because you don't know no sense. Ah, you look where you in up on the road. Shut up something.
But who tell us some first
Go on
before
your back
and
and
do
flat
back?
like a pancake when you drop it in the pot for fry it.
You have problem?
Eh?
You have already?
Who tell
You
us
just
some
every
fun
time
and
for your
back?
comments I look up and down on me. Yeah, what? Yes, I look up and down, Pam. What is the problem?
100 they want.
You see your damn nose big like a dragon nose.
Yeah.
Only thing left here that blow a fire. No boy if you say you're young girl. Look at you yourself. Look at you look hook at
I'm
them.
driving a Benz and I get the Benz I want to pick her up too. I'm sure I want to pick her up.
Jealousy.
Bye girl. Oh God. Daddy! Yeah, me and my friend hang out.
We are on the road.
Me have follow go down here, so.
Fuck yourself. Have respect.
You know, I met that 500 you to reach me.
Listen, we'll go send it to you. Hey, control it.
She said she like you, Daddy.
How can I find this?
Can you have money? Where think you girl want nowadays?
This is 15 Pro Max. Be yourself.
Can I have one?
A box in your fart. Respect
Sound to me.
elders.
Sound to me.
Respect the elder.
Daddy,
Please.
Daddy, look here.
Next one.
Ah,
Look out from here.
Me glad me the right ass. Look for me good.
me look on you, Daddy.
Why you elder think you can show me your ass and tell me say me want her? You idiot?
No, Daddy. But she said she like you.
Like what?
She like you. You can't stop me from liking
Go
you.
and like yam, carrot and cucumber Irish. You don't like me.
So wrong with you. Yeah, so.
Yo, where you
Daddy.
go by the way? Where you go by the way?
Me go follow go down the road, don't you, so?
You don't have a friend you want?
No, I'm a school friend. A long time I know her. Daddy, me my 500 you said that, so you say give me to go to shop.
Go and share your account.
So I share it. Alright, bye Daddy. Bye.
Tell me with your pipe in the
Alright,
road.
later Daddy, me soon come home.
Go make 5 o'clock you step on the road.
Alright, 5 o'clock won't catch me. Bye Daddy.
I just send my mother there. She not there here. She not call. She not there. Yeah, yesterday. She never there here. Every day you come a beat on the one door.
Hi mommy.
What?
Me have news to tell you.
What you have to tell me?
First, she's my friend, new friend. But anyways,
Come here with a different friend.
Daddy they own a shop, live in a big mansion.
Your father run this live in a big mansion.
And look how we live in a.
From when your father get mansion.
Anyone the house not done bill yet. And it's gonna give me $500 for him. Go treat myself, my friend.
$500?
You know the manners.
Good evening, sir.
So, you never remember that when you step in
Remember tell my mother the good news.
so not even your mommy and tell good evening or nothing.
Used to it. Good evening, mommy.
Your friend on the mouth.
How? It matter who him be, just even and done.
Right thing in the palm property accounts about who him.
She's supposed to be my stepmommy. To have manners too. I got job in a Benz.
This a magic here?
Yeah, shut up my father.
Your father like this a magic here?
No, she look him, but him no want tie.
Oh, you don't even look better neither, although. Talk to you.
I had a proud to say this up in here, look your father. You want same age group pitney as you. Be a father, be a stepmother.
No, she's not going to say, we're going to hang out as friends here, me.
So.
You them from money? No, mommy. They walk up and down from the road. What you do? What you do? Wake up and bed. Wash my teeth and go. You work? You got food? No, not every day.
You look so.
Not every day. So I'm saying I got food every day, you know, go every day. I got my friend. She always have bad day.
So, babes, I teach her if you just me. Let's see her color put together like you. Your father, you get the dressing from. I have your father, you get the dressing from, because.
Okay.
Them a mismatch sitting here so much. How much color you know? 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 13 color.
No, don't. No, want that. Let that with somebody else. Oh.
Yeah, I'm here. Come see man. So, where you come from? Where you come from, big?
Who come to my mother news? I'm not nothing big.
Actually, I know into your going to mommy and big girl is a come big something. Yeah, your hungry belly friend them.
But for you. You're gonna need money.
Yeah,
Same thing. Well, I have no money, you know. So, you go back to your father, and tell you if you give you money, you say I'm gonna send the money in my account, but I'm not coming in my account. Wait for it to come in your account. Okay. You know, so you need to take up in your hand, but you get you know, you're not busy with that, you know, that they gone through the gate, so when I look your big old cooper.
Your friend name?
Renee.
So you plan for Renee be a stepmom?
At first, I never want it, but she explained it to me. Say she not to be my stepmother, because we can hang out and party and things.
Oh, so.
Because I take for the money. So she not take what you forget idiot, you know, the sense, you know, use this.
I am in my part, like I told Jezebel Road.
No, she give me the money.
Come on. No be a idiot.
Where you come from?
She dey start take your father money, she will take it for herself. She not take it for you and her. You go take your father with her? Okay. She not take it for you and her. Whatever she do, I pick she and she only. Wise up.
Okay, honey. Girl, she ever take your father money and they give me none?
She not tell her. What kind of boot pity this me have? How me get her from?
I know. I sent her to sky.
I must stop on the penny. I could not tell me at all at all.
You can't get her some of what things. She look thirsty.
No, I'm not gonna buy one favorite I want.
I'm trying to see me there chewing them all long and stuff. And I chew for them. I'm not eat for money.
You know, I know about she, but me.
I'm giving me card.
Yeah, give me no card, this and I come back with it. Me will come back with it.
I'm not pretty good. Forget more of that. I say it too. I'm so well.
Daddy, make you come back over here, so.
How are you that?
Who tell us he's the daddy?
Brighty.
You live with him.
My family can't ugly so. Ramp with me. Your face I'm bright about daddy. Oh, you can't.
Hi, but you don't look better.
My pinky foot can't full of so much hair. My
but
pinky
you
wear Crocs.
But you don't look better. I still shoes. I remember mama can't afford.
Shoes. My pinky only wear shoes when my goat. You know wear shoes in the yard. My pinky wear so much color.
I close them name.
And half a pendant punch. I must say mad.
But I mean,
daddy. No babes out.
But me hear Crocs.
It's that different babes. It's a Crocs. That's not a Crocs.
What else? You know what is?
Crocodile at babes. Oh, baby.
But what you have on your foot, you can't put your foot there. You can't wash on your foot too.
Brighty is here, look at those ones and some foot look well. So I mean, Gucci.
Anyway, me not come about you.
Brighty, this can buy everything when you're
I tell you, daddy, I own this as strong palm money and we live in a this. You need to step up your game. That's why we need she.
That's why we need she?
Yes.
Also a team we recruit.
We need money.
What am I talking about?
So now give me a card for buy something.
Yeah, which card?
Where did I go?
I follow she go down there, sir. So she'll go down there for follow her.
Hey, like you say weed fine. I can't.
Make can't deal with this.
I
make sure say you reach back on your people and me call you, man, you know, did it. You hear me say?
When I get the money, I can give you something. You know what I mean?
She not get come on.
Okay.
Bye,
mommy. Bye, sir. Lotion your foot.
Come by me, take for yourself and go learn to dress. Babes, no sir. I forgive one bit of picking in your life. You're gonna get that.
You like more picking?
If me then look at that boy, the breeder. You know, see that nonsense. All the money I spend for you and I love your babes. You know, want me breeder.
You come go lie down.
You don't
We can't leave the yard in peace.
Daddy, hi.
Yeah, hi.
I don't know where my just come from.
We have walk up and down all over the globe with all this one.
I'm a friend, but not nobody else to walk up with.
Yes, I'm going to look for you.
No, you come out look good for the fly them. Hey, ginger fly, I was slapping the head with the phone, you know. Hello.
Oh.
Control
The
it.
money, Daddy. The money.
Oh,
you don't reach my account yet.
Oh, the 500 US. I'm there about me right now. Talk to.
You can't let it go to your pocket now. Just give me.
No,
I'm going to go down a line.
Listen, where you going to 500 US? And that more I know from no. Because you know, girl, if it.
Me have enough. Girl, let me follow that over. I'm talking. I want the money me I get. So, I use half to treat myself. I'm going to save the rest.
I'm going to save the rest?
Yes.
You use half to treat yourself?
Yes.
And you're going to save the rest?
Yeah, girl, I'm going to do that. I'm going to save the rest.
What is 250? How much you calculate to?
I don't know. She want money too. So I have to give her.
Huh?
She want money too.
So you have to take my...
Mommy want money to build big mansion and look where we live in now.
Listen, I hear mommy choose to go live with man, you know. Your mother choose to go live with man.
That not say...
I never put out your mother, so don't talk.
That not say about that.
Your mother never knows that me have money until to the day, yeah. And then you are lavish and I tell everybody. You is the fault of everything. That's why you see you. You see you.
We need the money. We need the money so they can feed me. She tell me I see me go to school every day. She not no money. She a mumble.
Let me ask you a question. Your mother ever send you to school? No, me send you to school. No, my money send you to school. No, my money go to supermarket and buy. Who? Look here. You're colorful. What kind of dressing, baby?
Buy me papa clothes. I said all the clothes I have in my basket and I have to wear. Same thing, mommy boyfriend
and talk about. In a
yeah, chop, but what is?
Meaning blouse and tight.
So you want me to dress too? No, Daddy, me don't mean it like that.
You don't mean it like what?
Me don't mean it like that. She asked about my colorful clothes, so I have to ask her one question if I say you want me to dress because she's not colorful.
That is not qualified of dressing.
Then what is the clothes?
Then the clothes that's when you go to your bed.
So, me have me now? Are you just
I still feel like I said the whole of the people in the broke with mad disease. Go on up, please. I beg you, I don't care this guy in yard. Go up.
She shall wait for you in your bedroom.
I'll box out your teeth there before you leave. Go on.
Alright, bye, Daddy. I want juice. If I buy juice, don't get for me.
A mixed tongue. Go on.
And the money, remember.
I want to go to my bank. Look at girl, go on up.
Okay.
Drag your ass, go.
Alright, girl, come. What? What? What am I going to take from my father? What you say, I'm going to give me money?
You know what I say? You have to get single dollar. Find somebody who wants us and sell it out. And when you're done, you can move on.
So why not me keep it?
Oh, you mean you too?
Yeah.
It's no point now. So, you really take boots up for your friend to go up your father?
You hear me tell her say why me not do it?
Son, you look like young and don't have no sense. This is a friend you're par with. It's bad company. You can't par with somebody like a she. Where's enough? Who enough? You can't go on. Listen to me. Anytime come on to Papa's daughter. In a business, me not involved in the conversation. I will put myself in the conversation. Here's a bad could pick me. How you feel if you go thief? Yawa? Oh, stepmother, because I can't stepmother go
sit down. You little pitty about stepmother. Oh, you run down, so belly? Papa don't want something like you. You too maga cranny.
Oh, you know
Me
that.
know, Papa, you too maga cranny. But you flat now, I come like a shit up.
Yeah.
I pad them put yourself look fat up.
No.
I pad them, I see the pad, but no pad look. That's all they do at the time. Come pad look, come broke out the pitney. You, go up in the yard. Hey, son.
This is your mother. Your stepmother.
Come here. Come here. Come here, Santan. Santan, come here. Come here, say something to you.
What's the girl? How we are to do? She army.
Girl, come over here, so I'm licking your face. You there? You see that road up there, so? Take a look at my mouth. I'm going to take my foolish advice. Do not follow your idiot friend and rob your father. You hear? Make your father give for your own, you hear?
You think I give me money, Max? Money
Hold on, you don't need money. You don't need the money right now. You know what you need right now?
What?
Education.
I have my education.
You know none. If you have you don't want your father money, you go look your own. Go on up.
Kid.
Yes, go on up in the yard. Go on up, you hear? Go on
Renee.
up. What do Renee?
Go on, you go talk to that one, yeah. Alright.
Why you know back up your crocodile face for out of my face? Dinosaur balls! Back up! And one of the cameras on the other day too. Right, good on the road. Good on the road. Good on the road. You feel like my friend of you? You feel like my friend of... Wait a minute. Go on the road.
Wait a minute, business.
Go on the road. Down the road. Down the rocky road. Yeah, what? Boy, you want to prepare the tea. Come on, line.
Yes,
I didn't talk to you about that. I don't like that, man.
Relax, man. I'm 20 now. It's a smoke. I tell you now. I complain.
Mommy, good evening.
Evening. You come with manners.
She dumb.
No, because let me talk to you about what I roll. No,
Alright, good evening.
Alright, yesterday I could have asked he's going to talk about her and we can her.
So she move like she disabled.
What's on that? My friend sent me to teeth that man. Your father cheated on the dog. If you want something, get it out. So what you want your father for that teeth? A teeth me a go? No, mommy. You ever see me a teeth? Okay, so what you want for teeth? Well, she need the money, but they take too long to give me money on my account. Make sure you got teeth. You see, if you got teeth, your father, you see anything reach you, I don't business. What do you mean you want to teeth your father? After your father, they give you everything. Some people bring your money, come give her. You see, you need to find a better friend, because that is not a friend.
A teeth you raise. How long a teeth you raise?
Look, let me raise teeth.
So you go one side for me to hear what I go on.
You let me raise teeth?
For me look upon him.
No, I have to talk to my mother.
What teeth in?
I have to tell her what happened.
You think so me not hear what I go on every day coming here talk about teeth. A teeth you grow.
See teeth, eh?
Rat
And a
you
teeth you
That
grow.
they tell this one of the teeth, but that should tell me.
Yes.
This one they
So
tell her
listen
the
good.
teeth.
So a big rat this.
No, I'm friend.
A big
You
rat and
need
you a
to
little
stop
rat.
her with she, because she will lead you astray.
She
You see,
poor.
then go find somebody take care of her. What you need to go take care of you? Yeah, how much?
Can't see it, but
16.
So how you gonna take care of Penny? Me not tell me about me can't just take the money because me not thieving. Me like a thief?
Anyways, she will take the money.
And me and she have a friend.
Mind you see anything reach you, don't come here so I don't know you.
I'm for your double frames.
Don't tell nobody say me is your mother. What me say enough to do?
Don't come back. Take anything reach me.
Alright. Me is not your mother.
Alright. And you reach now you had
Me
just a
is
sweat
not
7 minutes.
your mother. Because me not grown a thief.
Girl, tell her what you gonna do.
No tell me what you are going to do. You not come back here. If you're coming back here, don't bring this. I'm gonna sleep in my yard.
Oh, shut your mouth. And when you come over here, you watch how you talk. And that make me know you think more teeth in my yard. Eh? Okay. No come over here so with the teeth in breeze.
It's a good thing me always keep my front door locked, cause see, if you just step in so, everything would have gone from in the house.
But mommy, you don't have nothing, that's why I have to do it.
Your father not give you things?
Yes, but you not give you things for your own.
You don't worry about me.
Slap
Me
him on the
alright.
lip.
You not got thief.
I'm gonna talk to so. I should have for me daughter.
Could never be a daughter.
Slap him on the lip.
Anyway, say Ziploc, me I talk to my mother.
My daughter could never be a thief.
Me I talk to my mother and I am not a thief.
Look like me have rat.
I am not. I'm just borrowing the money from my father and giving her
Your
it.
father knows you borrow money?
Not you.
No, not to him.
So what you call that?
Thief, robbery. Touch what is not yours.
It don't have...
Steal.
Yeah, are they a fear?
No, mommy.
So how you take it?
I'm a father. I'm supposed to take anything I want to take.
You asking for it?
No.
Okay.
Need a pitney like a you.
No do it.
Then my hand and foot they broke.
Remember say if you do it, don't come back.
Tell me that.
Me is not your mother.
I'm going to sell it in house too. The mansion might be the one and sell it.
How where you get it from?
You know much one house?
That's guy.
You know much one house? So when I think about sell things, think about sell yourself first. When you grow up.
What you tell
When she grew up.
So what you tell herself to go sell herself when she grew up?
If you want to sell a man property, if you sell him own property when she grew up, but as a teacher or something in life, she can't so bad mind and grudge. That is a bad mind thief in that you have.
Sir, you tell me to go sell front.
Babes, we can't bother break babes.
Tell herself to go sell front.
Babes, I'm explaining to her when she's thinking about selling something, she think about selling herself
Hello,
or her things first.
Ziploc, why always come between me and my mother when me and my mother are talk about for my father?
Ziploc for you. Hey, you see if anybody little? I tell you where Ziploc the end around.
Anyways,
hey, talk
mommy.
to that. I mean, lick him in the face and lick out the whole
mommy, I'm
thing.
going to sell the house. I'm going to get the money.
Okay.
Don't come back.
That not
Once
no
you do
sense.
all of them the way you do. Do anything what you want to do. As long as you follow this, don't come back.
Okay, so I can take the money by myself and come back here.
Come back where?
Without she.
No.
No sense. Your brain
Friend,
a
you
build up.
thiefy and you sell one of you and you touch one of you. Don't come back. Yes, sir. Is this when you say I get they pretend like you lock?
What are you the policeman going to come to?
Here.
Who? You the policeman going to come to?
I know you.
She curse and mad
Me
somebody
know
say
you.
start in front of you. Mad
Me
somebody.
Why are this one me?
Me no grow no thief. Me no grow no thief.
If
So
daddy
me
that
no
take
know
care of me
thief.
good and give me the money when I want the money, but not have to listen to my
Enjoy
future stepmother.
when him have it.
Oh, you have shoes. You have clothes to wear. What
Yes.
more you want?
Mismatch clothes.
I
In
want
a
to broke
match.
bad bikini. Eh? Go and find thief in friend. They not teach you in life. So never you find a friend at taller than you.
She not thief, she just want to borrow the money.
No, not thief.
She gonna give me it back.
When I hoodlums, I got to move
Borrow,
like.
she gonna borrow.
When I hoodlums, send them out of here. Tell her to stop come over here. Come fit. Sometimes she want to see you. You tell her to stop down at John got the
You
shop.
go for daddy.
And we go down here go meet her.
Daddy not up there.
Don't
Yeah,
put up
call
the
him
over
and
here.
make sure say, tell him say, don't make this come in yard because this a thief. And don't make you come in yard either because him and influence you for thief. And
You
no,
know
but
daddy.
you
Him
must
gone.
find where she live.
We hope that's so.
You live with him. Cause this point,
No, we have a fly out.
and if you put on one back in yard, how you gonna thief this thing then?
Fly out go away. I must
In
cops.
the day, in their work, in come until 5 o'clock. So that's why we have to come out and
And
go
they
there.
make him know say you thief them.
Most cops, cause America don't want to see you.
Cause nobody now come put nothing on them. You see them? They ain't free. Me not take no bangle for no
Girl.
picnic. You's big enough.
Girl.
Go take your bangle then.
Lift up man, lift
Where
your
she
place
at,
man, lift your
pa?
place man, lift your place. Don't go
Girl,
on no
stop
man.
and say,
Go on no. And next time when you want to see your mother, you call your mother phone and you stay down at John Gatty shop and wait down there. I don't want you back over me yard. You hear?
Me not see a name at the front gate. What do you mean by your yard?
Don't say no nonsense. I'll put up your mother. Girl, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth in my yard.
And we are talk about my father could have taken care of my mother. Mommy,
Yo, leave.
daddy tell me say,
Tell her if you
and
leave
him
now.
put you out.
Just a
You
chat,
come
chat,
up
chat,
fine
chat,
man.
Me come out.
You
Yes.
fine man.
Me come out.
This year.
Me come out.
This year. So let me go. You come find this year. Come on here. Mommy. Mommy.
Come over here. You hear? This is a little coat them there. Eh? She love in a girl like that man I can't know, you know. You hear? Can I take them there? You have to breathe for them lunatic man the babes. Eh? Can I style that?
Me have partly is enough for me and mama. You know, see mama they gone with him.
Stop chatting here, man. I'm gonna finish chatting in the house. Go on in. Look your sexy queen.
What? Me nah bother get that girl no money, you know. I'm gonna for myself. Sometimes she don't want it. I fly out, girl, you know. Oh God, this is some sure. Go. Okay. Come money. I didn't take long to give me my 500. Oh, Jesus. Oh, money. What me I gonna do? Oh, God, I forgot to girl I go to my mother. No, me fly out. Yeah, teeth it. Oh God.
Where I go?
What do you mean by where me I go? Me I go down the song.
You know what I mean? Clap your sorry for you. You don't get the money.
No, me not get it.
What do you mean you get the money?
Me not get it. It's like me must say my message she call daddy phone, you know, and tell daddy say me go thief him money, you know. So she call him and she tell him and when me go up there, me see daddy and wait for me.
See this walk past and see
You know me I come for. I can't use me to trick them pan him no more like I use for mommy girl.
you know, see about is an informer. About is an informer.
You don't talk to my mother like that. Hard working. Anyways,
You don't find out
girl, you are lucky. When that go to ask him where something
Girl.
cut up.
Girl, but wait everything.
Homeless. Look homeless. Go to him.
Girl, but wait every single thing. To get a full attention. I'm not getting it. So,
Girl, to be honest, you look like you say you're a thief with you. So you don't want you.
what you supposed to mean? You're a thief, girl? What kind of friend are me?
You know my mother yet.
As I say, you will find out where you got the money.
Alright. How much will I get to time money?
50. So, me get 50.
Alright. But daddy up there, if you go up the tree, him up there.
Okay.
Alright?
So get for that attention.
To get my full attention, in name Popeye.
What me for to get it?
Him no want you. Look how you look. Girl. Your body so keen. And him not gonna want you. Girl, you have to wear something more sexy. So later I go down there, so yeah. Bye. I'm going to my mother.
You know, say that you tell no girl. That you tell. But me not whine.